Just Intuition YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve today lead code daily problem, which is find the kth character in string game 1. So let's first understand the question. We have been given a string which is initially include character A and a k, and we have to find out the kth character in updated in the string while performing operations on the initial string. So we have given a start string which initially include only a, and we have to do some operation, and this operation increase the length of string, and after doing a number of times the operation we have to increase the string in such a length so that we can return the kth character in that string. Now let's talk about that operation. In each operation we have to we have to increase the length of the string. Suppose we have an string a, so in the operation we append a string like it's a, then append b means increase that string. We have to iterate the string from start, and for each character we have to append a new character which is plus one of that character. Like if the character is a, we have to append b; if the character is b, we have to append c, like that, and so on. So after doing this operation this operation one time, we get a new string. So if we want another operation, we will iterate through or iterate in the string, and for each character append the next character. So when we do this operation, we always get new string with increased length, and after doing this operation in such time we have to return the kth character. So at first glance we can see that normally like brute force we can just iterate through all the string and generate new strings. Just generating the as much length of the string which is include k. So generating all the strings we can do the operation k. So as I am prefer to do work with arrays, integer arrays, so I will store the sky values and then in the array, and like I will store first, I will make an array first, then store 1 as a in that integer array. Then while the length of that array not reaches at k or exceeds k, I will each time in the while loop iterate through each element in the array and push back 1 plus in that array. So when I exceed or reach the length of the array for k, we just return the kth k minus 1 index of the array plus 96, so that we can convert into the required character. So this can be done as a brute force for this solution. So now let me write all the steps included in the solution. Wow. So doing these steps we can solve the question. That's all. Thank you.